there are grilled cheeses. Then there are grilled cheeses, CJ.
That's correct.
There are grilled cheeses that are fun on a Wednesday evening when you don't feel you have a tummy ache. And Mama makes the best one. American cheese.
She always does.
Wonder Bread, Campbell's chicken, or Campbell's tomato soup,
Yep.
right? But then there's this.
Where you ruin it with goat cheese.
No, where we give it some extra love. This is elevated grilled cheese like you've never seen it. Maybe you have seen it before, but it's phenomenal. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now, this might be up for controversy. I think texture is king when it comes to a grilled cheese sandwich. So what I'm gonna do, I've got some sourdough. I'm gonna toast the inside first.
No controversy here. I think it's just a smart play.
Yeah, because sometimes like when you smash a grilled cheese too far, it's a little unsalted butter right over here. And I'm gonna take my bread. Sorry, CJ, I'm moving fast for you, buddy.
All right, buddy.
I'm gonna take my bread, put it right down in that butter. Now we're toasting the inside first. So we're only going halfway here. I'll show you what I mean in just a second. Yeah, for me, texture is king when it comes to a grilled cheese. So let's let that chill for just a bit. Now I've got some tomato. Use any kind of tomato that you like. I just really like these vine ripe tomatoes, and I can't pull the vine off. But you know, we're fine. We're cruising. Look at that.
You're a vine. You're cruising.
I'm vine?
Yeah.
The Vendo Vaisha.
Wiedersehen.
Wasn't that commercial? The Viper's coming. The Viper's coming. Remember elementary school? Oh no, the Viper's coming. I'm the Vendo Viper. Ugh.
What are you guys talking about?
Yeah, we're old.
Yeah, you weren't born yet.
You don't know. You know nothing. All right, slide that off to the side. Now our toasting shouldn't take too long. We're going fairly light. Let's see where we
Need
are.
another minute or two.
Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna need just a touch longer. Just a touch longer. Let's give that 60 more seconds and we'll be right back. Oh yeah. Yep. There we go. All right, now we're gonna put it toasted side up, right? So just for clarification, soft, no toast, toast. That's what we're looking for. All right, so this is one of those little things. Just takes an extra 60 seconds or so, but the textures are gonna be through the roof. I'm gonna start with a bit of softened goat's cheese.
This is where you lost me.
No.
And you're gonna lose all the rest of your audience.
Nope.
Because
Dude, goat cheese, unbelievable.
they're normal human beings that do not want to eat goat cheese.
We're
on a
doing
grilled cheese.
3 different kinds of cheeses. We're starting with goat's cheese because it's phenomenal.
Ethan, get my back here. Thank you, sir.
We're going full Montel.
Montel Williams?
This is how we do. No? Okay.
Little George
You know,
there.
we're playing.
Okay.
I'm going to take,
Yuck.
so good.
I know.
A little bit of lemon juice. Touch of lemon juice. We don't want it to be wet, but lemon plays off of that goat cheese so lovely. A little dab will do ya. I'm going to go.
Hide it. I'm sorry, I'm not going to let you get away with this one.
I'm going with a touch of arugula here. No, we're not. I'm gonna do some Gouda first.
Okay, now this
bit
is
of Gouda.
good to me.
Gouda. Let it hang off the side just a touch, just like that. We'll do 2 pieces of Gouda. So now this is cheese 2, goat cheese and Gouda. Now we're gonna go with our arugula. Arugula is a fantastic peppery green.
I do approve of this message.
You don't need a ton. Beauty. Now we'll take some of our tomato slices, just like that. Always salt.
Oh.
I don't have my salt.
Oh, you have a salt gun.
I'm not using the salt gun. I'm gonna walk of shame.
My goodness.
Walk of shame. Never happens.
Oh! Oh, goodbye. 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 I love it. I love
Go all the way inside. Oh, jeez. Sorry,
How you doing there, dude? What are you doing?
Doing much better now.
Yeah. What's going on?
Salt and pepper.
Your legs
Here you
tired?
go. Tomatoes love salt. We got a little salt there and a little bit of pepper. I also have some thinly sliced prosciutto. These don't have to be perfect. You kind of like pull them apart. I like to give them just a little fold. Makes the texture a touch nicer. Come on.
So I don't want to like disagree too much about this.
Yes, it was a walk of shame.
But this feels like it slides into more of like a melt.
I've heard this controversy. I've heard this online, like what changes a grilled cheese to a melt? I don't know the answer. To me, this is toast and butter and cheese.
So is this more Gouda or is this?
Oh, sorry, this is Vermont cheddar.
Okay.
This is cheese number Beautiful, just like that. The reason I did cheese on bottom, cheese on top is so everything holds together. Now remember, toasted side down. So now when we go back onto our griddle, we're gonna finish the toast and melting, but we still have that beautiful texture on the inside. Oh, before I do that.
Butter or oil?
Look at this guy. Get into it before me. Butter, thank you.
You're
You gotta
good,
have
bro.
butter. I know you are. And that walk of shame, how much do you love that?
That was fantastic.
It's one of your favorite things ever?
Pretty much.
Popped in.
Whoa.
Then
Let that melt just a little bit. Always use unsalted butter. We've talked about this in the past.
Why is that, Nate?
Because I want to control my salt. It's how real chefs do it. It's how Dad did it.
and it's worked out pretty good
Dang
so far.
it. See what happens?
Wrong show.
Walk of shame. Movie quotes. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And if that butter starts to run away, just bring it back to the sides. Bring it around. Let the bread soak it up. And now, all we have to do now is wait. I mean, this is part of grilled cheese magic. Go low here. Low heat. Let it bubble and crisp and toast until it looks melty and delicious and perfect. And then it's time to eat it. It's that simple. Oh, we are there. Bubbly cheese. Ooh, CJ, can you? It's still bubbly. Can you see this? Oh,
See.
crazy. Now the question is, do we let it cool off before we cut it?
No, dude.
I was gonna say that. No. Oh, wait. Angle like Mama did it, or straight?
Angle.
Dang, you guys. Should I use serrated?
No.
All right, I'm using serrated. Here we go. Oh, that texture is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, getting excited. You excited about grilled cheese sandwich, CJ?
I would have
This
been.
one. Oh, can I just?
Fortunate.
Oh. Maybe we are in melt territory.
Yeah.
Maybe we're in delicious territory. Whoa. Whoa. I have to wait a second. This is going to burn my mouth off. No, I'm not waiting. I'm eating this. Mm-hmm. You hear?
I heard it.
Yeah, huh?
I heard it.
What?
You hear me?
Oh.
The crunch.
Bro, it looks awesome.
Cheese skirt on the outside. Crispy bread. The peppery arugula is wonderful, but then that fresh tomato on the inside. Guys, this is money.
Look.
No sauce. I know what you're about to say. No sauce. The lemon and goat's cheese is a sauce on its own. It's so creamy, a little
I know
funky.
you forgot a sauce, and that would be one thing.
I didn't
the
forget
fact
sauce.
that you added goat cheese to that.
That's not what-
It's another thing, and the fact that there was a walk of shame
Perfect,
might
as
be the
is.
third thing. But
Doesn't need anything
the
else.
reality is you were gonna add sauce and you forgot it.
Mm-mm.
So
I chose not to.
Right.
I thought about it and decided I didn't.
It's here, and it's
Just
on
said-
set,
What?
and it was available.
All right. I was gonna add some Wickles pickles. Ever had Wickles sandwich bread? But as I was cruising along, it's a little too spicy.
And you forgot.
Too much vinegar. No, I consciously said to myself, "Self, you don't need that."
You should have said that about the goat cheese and added the sauce.
Honestly, I was gonna add it. I forgot. I'm glad I didn't, because now it's just goat cheese is the beautiful, wonderful
and I
flavor
know
of
it's a
sauce.
good-looking grilled cheese, but I'm gonna say that's for sure a melt. I really hate to harp down on you on this one.
Is there an actual? Let me know in the comments down below. Someone Google it. Is there an actual definition, a melt, or I would still call this a grilled cheese?
You would be wrong.
Maybe,
okay.
maybe melt, grilled cheese. It's delicious, whatever you want to call it.
And that is suitable enough.
I'll call it delicious. There you go. That's how you make a simple grill. Maybe it wasn't that simple. It's not as simple as a couple of slices of American cheese and Wonder Bread, though delicious, especially if Mama made it. Should probably be better. That would be better if my mom made it
100%
than this.
better. Especially if you're not feeling well.
That's unfair. That's unfair, though. This is fantastic. Thank you all so much for hanging out. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook one recipe at a time. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Definitely a grilled cheese, buddy.